making my tomato sauce. The ingredients are 2 times 400 grams of chopped tomatoes, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1
tablespoon
of tomato puree, 500 millimeters of vegetable stock, 1 handful of fresh oregano.
Or oregano if you're American. Okay, let's go. Okay, so obviously Nel's going to be cooking, but I'm going to be with her the whole time, make sure she doesn't burn anything, not me or her or anything. So you're going to pay attention, special attention.
Yeah.
Right, let's light the stove. So we're going to turn this one. It's fine. So that's on like a medium heat. First of all, we want a dash of oil now in there. Go slowly and I'll say when. Keep going. Perfect. Next in our pan, now we've sliced our onion and we're going to use a blender at the end. If you haven't got a blender, then you'll have to try and finally chop your onions. Okay, in with the onions now. Oh, that's it, we need the bowl back. That's okay, I'll put that in the sink. There you go. And your garlic. Okay?
Okay.
We'll turn the heat up a little bit and we should be sizzling.
Oh.
It's okay. You're going to open your tomatoes. Now all we're just going to cook those until they've softened, okay? It should take a couple of minutes. The onions are softened and then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. A bit more now, 1 second.
Oh wow.
Yeah, get it in the pan. That's it. Good girl. That's fine, that's fine. Perfect, let's get rid of that. Give it a stir. Good girl, give it a stir. Not too fast, don't want to flick any hot oil out of the pan, okay? Right, now shall I add these? And you're going to try and add them. I'll add them. Leave the spoon in the pan, it doesn't need to come out of the pan. Okay, so that's 1 tin of tomatoes.
Oh my god.
2 tins of tomatoes.
Oh wow.
And now our water, our stock, vegetable stock. Okay, we'll turn that up.
You thought it was water.
We're going to add some ground pepper.
I hope it doesn't.
Can I come around this side just for a second, just do this. So now we've just stirred everything together. We're going to reduce it down, leave it on a medium to high heat for about 25 minutes till the tomatoes are broken down. We'll taste it for seasoning and blend it with the blender, with the stick blender, and it's pretty much there. The sauce has been reducing for about 15-20 minutes, and I'm going to blend it now while Nel's not here, because I don't want her anywhere near this boiling hot sauce, and a blender is not a great recipe for a 7-year-old. So here we go, just blend that up. I've just blended all the other ingredients. I've got a handful of fresh oregano in there. I'm going to turn the heat off, add the oregano, and I'll give that a flip. that's Nel's tomato sauce finished. I'm going to taste it and season it. If the tomatoes are acidic, I might add a pinch of sugar. But this sauce could be used for pasta, pizza toppings, add some chilies and olives for arrabbiata, anything you like. We'll see you shortly, and we're making some pizza.